Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and we continue our unboxing video series. And today we are going to unpack these two gorgeous kits. The first one is from Hobby Lobby, Studio Delight, and the other one is from Temu. So let's start with Hobby Lobby. That's how it looks inside. To tell you the truth, I didn't really see many of their new designs in the store website. I was hoping that they will come up with more Christmas designs, but unfortunately, Christmas kits, but unfortunately, they did not. So this kit comes with a legend, with a set of tools. Unfortunately, there are no Ziploc bags, with the drills and the canvas itself. So let's start with the canvas. This kit was $6.99. I'm not sure if it is on sale now or not, but that's how it looks. I really love it. We are close to Christmas and I wanted to purchase something Christmas related, Christ related, right? And I'm fearfully and wonderfully made. This is a quote from one of the Psalms, as far as I remember. So that's how the canvas looks. These are simple printing. Okay, I really like that they are not traced in black circles. That's great. The only thing that I do not understand, why if the design itself is vertical, right, portrait layout, why the legend is horizontal, right? This is not very convenient. Maybe this is the reason why the legend was given out separately as well. So this kit has 28 colors. Of course, I'm planning of enhancing this kit with white and yellow ABs, especially yellow ABs, or maybe even crystals. I'm not so sure yet. On the quotation, right? I am fearfully and wonderfully made. As to the white one, not sure if this color is white. If it is, maybe I will replace it, but I'm not 100% sure, because to tell you the truth, I would like the quotation to be highlighted. Okay, so that's how the canvas looks. Now let's look at the drills. It actually says on the box that it includes metallic drills, so let's see what color they are. Maybe I will replace them with diamond dots, metallic ones, due to their amazing facets that sparkle so much. Okay, so this is the color, and I doubt that this is 5200, right? The white color. It looks a little bit like milky, I would say, like coffee with milk, but super pale. So this is number 8712. Right, if we look at the DMC code, right, 712, as far as I understand, the white one is 5200, yeah, and there is no white one. Yeah, it's not completely white. Oh, well, then, yeah, that's fine. I will leave this very color, coffee and milk, but very pale, for the background. Maybe it's even better, because I wouldn't want the background to distract the attention from the cross itself. Okay, of course, a lot of them look. And yeah, I wouldn't want to spend that many white ABs. Oh, wow, look at that. So they already included the AB drills. That's interesting. To tell the truth, I have never seen ABs in Hobby Lobby kits. Metallic, yes. As to ABs, I don't think so. So this is A. A is number 10. Okay, so A, okay, so technically yellow, it's not really yellow, it's more of an orange color, orange AB comes here, and yeah, it is used on the quotation. Great, so I don't even have to use the yellow ABs from diamond dots, especially that the color doesn't match at all. This is orange, not yellow. So, and as far as I see, it doesn't really match the color of the completed kit at this point, because yellow and like these two colors are absolutely different, right? Okay, let's see what else they have, and if they, and where the metallic is. Okay, The colors are not very bright, actually. Okay, so where's the metallic one? And there are no more ABs. Did you notice that there are? So I don't really know what else I can use in this very kit to enhance, and they actually made a mistake there. I do not see any metallic drills. There are ABs, but there are no metallic ones. Let me read it again. Maybe it says AB, not metallic. No, it clearly says metallic, yet they do not have metallic. So I think that they made a mistake. Instead of metallic drills, they included ABs, which makes sense because ABs fit here way more than metallic ones. But yeah, there are no metallic drills. Just a heads up for you guys, if you are purchasing this kit, there are no metallic drills. If you are okay with ABs only, that's what it has. No metallic. I mean, let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Actually, this one can be... I can replace these ones with ABs. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Yeah, 28 colors. No metallic drills. Oh well, if they messed up the box, they should have said AB drills, not metallic ones. Alright, this is the first one. Now let's open the Temu one. But you know what I think? Most likely maybe they really included metallic ones. They finished the diamond painting with a metallic and it looked way off, which really, metallic drills would look weird on the cross, so not as bright, and most likely they replaced it with ABs, but they forgot to change the message on the box. That's what I think. However, if we look at here, yeah, it kind of looks metallic, right, on the original artwork. We'll see. Maybe I should buy another one. The problem is that the shipping is insane at Hobby Lobby. It's like $10. I mean, like, what do you guys ship there? A freaking frame? Yeah, so otherwise, I would purchase one more and I would diamond paint it with metallic on the quotation instead of the ABs. Hobby Lobby is coming to not to my town, but not far away from mine, either in the end of this year or in the beginning of the other one. So maybe I will even buy and do it with crystal, not with the crystals, but with the metallic ones, but from diamond dots. Okay, the other one is also cross. It's a cross design, gorgeous, beautiful. So I like snack-sized kits, especially to take somewhere with me if I have an appointment or if I am waiting for my kid from one of the classes, like Sunday school, something, and I needed to occupy myself with something. I don't want to stare at my phone because my vision has deteriorated significantly after I started looking, once I started using the phone. So I would prefer to do diamond painting instead of staring at it. So it's a very gorgeous design. Look at that. And as you can see, there are special shape drills as well used on it. And it comes with 11 colors. And 2 of them are special drills. It says 30 by 40 centimeters, but I doubt it. It's not 30 by 40 for sure. Most likely 30 by 40 is the size of the canvas. Most likely it's either 25 by 35 or 20 by 30. So it's a nice design. Look at it. And very subtle, right? Very pastel colors. I love it. So I can also frame it and give it away as a gift or as a donation to the church, for example. So this kit also comes with a standard set of stools without any Ziploc bags. So let me open it without you hearing the sound. Not everybody likes the sound of the plastic, right? Okay, so, and we start with the, there are actually 4 special shaped, colors. With the special shaped, what I like about these ones, they're not only special shaped and crystals, but they're also ABs. Do you see? It's like crystal AB. Do you see the AB effect on it, right? Like holographic effect on this, oh, I know what is it, water drop shaped drills, the white ones, crystal ones, oval pink, these are rounds. They also have somewhat of a AB effect on them. Oh, there are even more. Oh, no, 4, right. I thought there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. There are 5 special drills, look. Beautiful. The golden ones. And then there are just a regular crystal colors. Blue, another blue. Is it the same? No, I think this one is a little bit darker, right? 12, 6, and 5, yeah. This one is a little bit darker. Yellow. Maybe I can actually replace this color with golden. Maybe it will look better than the yellow, but we'll see. Another yellow, lighter one, pink. Oh, that's a very cute color, like heavens, right? Very light blue, almost silver. So I like it. I love it. Colors are amazing. The only thing, I'm not really in the rapture of this very yellow one. I like this yellow, lighter one, but this one looks kind of dirty yellow to me. But we'll see. Maybe I will use golden metallic drills from diamond dots. Maybe they will look better. And they seem to be the same shade. Maybe not. Well, maybe. I have a little bit darker one. So we'll see how it's gonna look, but I love it. So this kit was around $3 or so. If it is still available on Temu, I will leave the link in the description box below in case if you like it and you want to purchase it. But yeah, this is all for today. So the cross from Hobby Lobby, $6.99, could be on sale now due to Black Friday / Cyber Monday, and the cross design from Temu for around $3. This is all for today. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I will see you soon.